Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Continuing on with our, I gotta tell you, we're getting really great response. We've already sold half of our inventory, but these are 20-inch thick gauge metal bathroom signs that we have created. One of our partners at the Mantiques Network here in Orange, who does a wonderful job on a bunch of Coke products and gasoline products, and he's done these for us. So we've got several different models. This happens to be MOBIL gas, men and women. He's even used the antique white to give it the porcelain look that these originally came in. They're priced right, they're great. If you got gas and oil, they're for you. Or even if you just want some cool signs, you might want to think about these.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the